Every year, thousands of men disappear throughout Brazil. It's a sad reality. They are men that leave their homes to get married or to start dating and mysteriously disappear and never again return to their group of friends. Brahma, the beer that brings friends together, had to do something to put an end to the suffering of the friends that are left behind. Put an end to the marriages? No. Prohibit men and women to date? Impossible. Brahma created FaceBack, the social network that helps bring your friends back. All you need to do is post the photo of your friend, and FaceBack does the work. Thousands of missing people saw their photos on the social networks, points of sale, and on trucks that travel the streets. And they came back because they were not really missing. They were only being held hostage.